In lecture number 7, we will study how to arrange command works and how to duplicate command work and what is different between arrange command and duplicate command. And then we will see how we can measure an object by a short way and how we can change the dimension of an object by concept of offset value and by scale value. And finally we will see what is the basic difference between offset command and scale command. First, draw an object. For understanding, I have drawn an object whose position is along x-axis at 2 and y-axis at 2 and 0 for z-axis, and their length is 2, 2, 2. First, taking a simple example, we will see how these commands works. First, select your object and right click and go into edit, and there is an arrange. Subtype of arrange is move, rotate and mirror. Similarly, duplicate along line, along axis and along mirror. These two are almost similar, but basic difference is in arrange command object itself move, but in duplicate command object copies move. Let's see. In arrange command, first move, we are moving from, first click on starting position and then offset position just on right below on x-axis. For example, I want to move along positive x-axis, along negative y-axis, 4 dimension. Just click on enter. Here it is. Similarly, click on object, move command, starting position, and then we will select next position. So how much dimension I want to move on along y-axis. For example, I want to move 4 along positive y-axis. Press enter. Here it is. Similarly, rotate, we can rotate along any axis. First select on axis on which you want to rotate, on x-axis or y-axis or z-axis. Then select the angle of rotation 90 along, for example, x-axis I want to move, and press OK. Here it is. I'm going to undo the same project. Next command is mirror. First, starting position, the position around which you want to make the mirror of that object. First select that, and I am going to mirror it along x-axis. You can also change here from axis. If you want to move only along y-axis, just click on that and go into arrange. I want to move. Because I have made y-axis as a fixed axis, So point will be, I will select on only y-axis, and this way smooth way it will be move along y-axis, and we will put here the position of y-axis dy and click enter. Similarly, by changing the axis here, from here axis is y-axis, z-axis, we can do that. Along z-axis I want to make the mirror of that along z-axis. The z-axis will be the starting position of that mirror. Similarly, moving along z-axis is little complicated because we have a very less window is showing here. Now let's see what is duplicate command. In duplicate command, along axis, first of all I'm going 3D, duplicating along an axis the starting position, and that is the total number of duplication at this same distance. If I want to 3 duplication, I will click 3 and click on OK. You can see it becomes a 3 copies of one object. Similarly, you can also duplicate it along an axis. For example, I want to duplicate it along x-axis. Here is the position, and then I will decide how much copies I want to duplicate. Press on OK. Next is duplicate around axis. Duplicate around axis is like a similarly rotate around an axis, but difference is that there will be a copy of an object will be duplicate. Copy of an object will be rotated. Here decide an x-axis and then angle and number of copies, and press on OK. Here you can see that the 90 degree at the 90 degree second object, from the second object there will be a 90 degree up in a third object. Next command is mirror of an object. As I have selected an x-axis already, so mirror will be form along an x-axis. From here I can change the 3D. You have noticed that the difference between arrange and duplicate command is, in arrange command, original object is move or rotate, and duplicate command, there will be a copy of an object is rotate and move. Next is measure. Measure command, we can measure the position, edge and face and complete object. First we will see how to measure the position. Starting position, and there will be an at end position. Here in a measure data box you can see that the value is along y-axis is 2. From here to here. Similarly, from bottom to top is z-axis is 2 millimeter. From here you can change the position. If you want to measure along y-axis, z-axis, you can change it. In measure command, the next is measure the edge. For example, I am going to measure this edge. Because y-axis we have a 2 millimeter. You can see the value of this edge is 2 millimeter. Similarly, this edge is also 2 millimeter. Because we have a square, so every edge is same value. In next measure command, we can also measure the face. In face command, you can see here number of edges, vertices, everything has been included. In last measure command, an object, if you want to measure an object, just click on that object and measure an object. You can see here the detail of an object. Volume, area, faces, edges and vertices, everything is here. In next part we will discuss what is the difference between offset and scale command.